Hey guys, here's a few quick reasons why you might consider a 16 gauge shotgun for your next Upland game purchase. For number one, it's lighter than your common 12 gauge without sacrificing the power. Number two, it doesn't sacrifice power for being lighter while still being and packing a lot more punch than a 20 gauge, not quite to a 12, but gets the job done. And finally, with it being lightweight and you having to walk however many yards during your time, a lighter gun makes all the difference. Tell us what you think, and don't forget to check the channel for more content.